So we are doing exercise 6.3. So we did some of the terms using some of the terms formula. How to find some of the terms in the AP. We have solved the problems in third question. Okay, many bits I explained yesterday. In third problem, exercise 6.3, third problem, all the bits, almost all the bits I have explained. Now let us go for the fourth problem in exercise 6.3. Fourth problem. Okay. The first and last terms of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. The first term of AP is 17 and last term is 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Here what is given here? The first and last terms. So given that the first term of AP, given that the first term A is equal to how much? 17. And last term L is equal to 350. The first term of AP is 17 and last term of AP is 350. Okay. Last term or nth term is the same. Last term and nth term is the same. Already I told that the last term or nth term AN is equal to L is equal to 350. Okay. 350. The common difference is 9. D equal to 9. D equal to 9. And common difference equal to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? What is there? Here, we know that AN is equal to how much given? AN or last term is the same. Already I told you that the nth term and last term is the same. Nth term and L is equal to 350. So nth term formula is nth term of AP is A plus N minus 1 into D, that equal to 350. So substitute the A value 17. Do you know number of terms? We don't know. D common difference is 9 equal to 350. N minus 1 into 9 equal to 350 plus 17, shift right side minus 17. N minus 1 into 9 is equal to n minus 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 333. 350 minus 17. 350 minus 17. n minus 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 333. So, n minus 1. How many terms are there? What is their sum? The first term and last term of AP are 17 and 350. First term is 17, last term is that. And the common difference is 9. D equal to how many terms are there and what is their sum? What is their sum? A is equal to 350, A plus N minus 1 D equal to 350, A is 17 plus N minus 1 D is 9, 9 minus 1 into 9 equal to 350, 350 minus 17, 333, N minus 1 into 9 is equal to 333, N minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9, 3 3 9, 3 1 3 1 n minus 1 is equal to 113 by 3. Again, 3 3 and 9, 3 3 and 9, 21, 3 7, yeah. So n minus 1 equal to 37, n is equal to 37 plus 1, n is equal to 38. There are 38 terms. How many terms? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? There are 38 terms. Therefore, there are 38 terms in an AP. So that find what is their sum? Their sum find out. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into A plus N. How many terms are there? N is equal to 38. S 38 equal to 38 by 2 into A plus L. A is 17. The L is 350. So 38 by 2 into 350 plus 17, 367 to 90, yeah, 38. 367 into 19 multiply 9 7 is 63, 9 6 is 54 plus 6 60, 9 3 is 27, 27 plus 6 33 into 7 6 3 3 7 9. So 6 9 7 3. Some of the 38 terms are 6,973. Children, I hope you clearly understood this. This problem is clear. Now, let us go for the fifth problem. Fifth problem. Find the sum of 51 terms whose second term and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Fifth problem. Find the sum of the 51 terms of AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Fifth problem. So here, whose second term is 8, given that whose second term A2 is equal to how much given? A2 is 14. A2 means what? A plus D. A plus D equal to 14. And third term A3. Third term A3 is equal to 18. A plus 2D equal to 18. This is second term. By solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. First equation is A plus D is equal to 14. A plus 2D equal to 18. Second term. Solve this. Plus minus A minus A minus 2D plus D minus D minus 18 plus 14 minus 14. So D equal to 14. Substituting D equal to 14 in first equation. First equation is A plus D equal to 14. See here, minus 2D plus D minus D, minus 18 plus 14, minus 4. Minus 4. Minus cancel, D equal to 4. D equal to 4. Substituting D value 4 in first. A plus D value is 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 plus 4 minus 4. So A is equal to how much? 10. A is equal to 10. The first term is 10. First term is 10 and common difference is 4. What is to be determined here? Find the sum of the 51 terms. Find the sum of the 51 terms. Sum of the 51 terms. N is equal to 51. N is equal to 51. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of the 51 terms. Put n is equal to 51. 51 by 2 into a. A value is how much? 10. 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. 51 minus 1. D is 4. D is 4. 51 by 2 into 2 times 20. 51 minus 150. 50 into 4, 200. So 51 by 2 into 220. 2 11 0. So 11 1 11. 11 5 55. This is 5,610. The sum of the 51 terms is 5,610. I hope we clearly understood children. Next, we'll go for the sixth problem. Sixth problem. Sixth problem, children. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49 and 17 terms is 289, find the sum of the first 10 terms. This is the most important problem. The sixth problem is a very important problem, most important problem. The sum of 7 terms, S7 is 49, that of 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. Given that sum of the 7 terms, S7, S7 is equal to how much? 49. Sn formula you know that. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to how much? 49. Sn means what? S7. Sn is equal to 7. S7 is equal to 7. S7. Sum of the 7 terms 49. Sum of the n terms formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. S7. So n is equal to 7. 7 by 2 into 2a. N is 7 minus 1 d. We don't know. That is equal to how much? S7 is equal to how much given? 49. So 7 by 2 into 2a. 7 minus 1 6d is equal to 49. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 49 into 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7. 7 1 7 49. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 14. This is first equation. Similarly, what given here, sum of the 49 terms. 7 terms is 49. 17 terms is S17. S17 is equal to 289. S17. So same. Sn is equal to formula. So Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S17, put n is equal to 17. 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to S17. S17 is equal to how much? 289. So 17 by 2 into 2a, 17 minus 1, 16. 16d is equal to 289. So 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 into 17 by 2 becomes 2 by 17. 17 289. So 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 to the 34. You take 2 common. 2a plus 2a is equal to 34. A plus 8d is equal to 34 by 2. A plus 8d is equal to 17. This is second equation. We got the first equation here. 2a plus 6d is equal to first equation. So a plus 6d is equal to 14. 2 comma a plus 2 3 is equal to 14. A plus 3d is equal to 14 by 2, 1 and 2 7. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is first equation. A plus 3d is equal to 7. 2a plus 6d is equal to 1 to the 14. I should 2 comma A plus 2 in 6 3 times is equal to 14. A plus 3D equal to 14 by 2. 2 7 A plus 3D equal to 7 first equation. A plus 8D equal to 17 second equation. By solving 190. By solving 190. First equation is what? A plus 3D is equal to 7. Second equation is A plus 8D is equal to 17. Subtract. Plus A minus A minus 5D. Minus 10 minus minus cancel. B is equal to 10 by 5. B is equal to substituting this. B is equal to 2 in first equation. First equation is A plus 3D is equal to 7. A plus D value is 2 is equal to 7. A plus D value is 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. We got A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2. So what is to be determined here? Find the sum of the first n terms. Find the sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n terms. Sum of the first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of the first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a. A value is 1 plus n minus 1. D value is 2. So n by 2 into 2n minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So n by 2 into 2n. 2 cancel. So n into n square. So sum of the first n terms for how much got n square. Okay. First what given? S7. S7 means sum of the 7 terms is 49. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. S7 put n is equal to 7 in this formula. 7 by 2 into 2a 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. 7 by 2 2a 7 minus 1 6 6d is equal to 49. 2a plus 6d equal to 49. 7 by 2 becomes 1 cube inverse 2 by 7. 7 ja 2a plus 6d equal to 7 to the 2a plus 6d equal to 7 to the 14. 2 common. A plus 2 in 6 3 times d is equal to 14. A plus 3d equal to 14 by 7. 14 by 2. 2 7 ja a plus 3d equal to 7 first equation. Similarly, sum of the 17 terms is 289. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 89. 17 by 2 into 2a, 17 minus 1, 16d is equal to 89. 2a plus 16d is equal to 89. 17 by 2 becomes 2 by 17. 17 17 ja 2a plus 16d equal to 34. So 2 common. A 2 8 ja is equal to 34. A plus 8d equal to 34 by 2. A plus 8d equal to 7. Second equation. By solving 1 and 2, subtract this, then change the signs. Minus 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 plus a minus a cancel. Minus 80 plus 80 minus 5d is equal to minus 17 plus 7 minus 10. Minus minus get cancelled. 5d is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5. D is equal to 2. Substituting d value in the first equation. The first equation is a plus 3d is equal to how much? 7. So a plus 3 into d value is equal to 7 plus 3 to 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus a is equal to 1. We got a is equal to 1. In the question, what did they ask here? Find the sum of the n times. Sum of the n times formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1 d value is 2. N by 2, 2 1 is 2 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 1 is 2 plus 2 minus 2 0. So n by 2 into 2n, 2 cancel, n into n square. Sum of the n times is how much for n square. This is the problem. I hope you clearly understood that. Okay. So I go for now seventh problem. Show that A1, A2, A3, A4, An form an AP where An defined as An is equal to 3n, 3 plus 4n. Like that, also find the sum of the 15 terms in each case. Okay, seventh problem I will explain. Seventh problem, children. Show that A1, A2, A3, AN form in AP, where AN defined. Seventh problem, AN given. AN is equal to how much given? 3 plus 4n. Show that AN form the AP. Show that A1, A2, A3, A4, AN are the AP. So what is the result given here? AN is equal to 3 plus 1. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. 3 plus 4 into 1. A1 is equal to 3, 4, 1 and 4. 34 and 7. Put n is equal to A2. 3 plus 4 into 2. So 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Put A3. Put n is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 into 3. So 3 plus 4 to the 12. 15. So on like this. Okay. So these are in the AP. So sequence write down. A is 7, 11, 15. This is B. Why it is in AP? Since A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 is 11 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. Same common difference. 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. So since a common difference is same, since A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to 4, therefore A1, A2, A3, AN are in and AP. So the same model you can do in this second bit. In this, also find the sum of the first 15 terms. Also find out the sum of the 15 terms. N is equal to 15. Sn formula is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So sum of the 15 terms. Put n is equal to 15. 15 by 2. 2 into a. A is 7 plus n minus 1. 15 minus 1. D is how much common difference? 4. So that equal to 15 by 2. 2 7 is 14 plus 15 minus 1 14. 14 4 is 56. So 15 by 2 into 14 plus 6 20 70. 2 1 is 235. 15 by 75. 15 3 is 45. 45 plus 5 50. 525. 525. Sum of the 15 terms is like this. In the same model, I skip in this seventh, the first bit I explained. There are 2 bits in this seventh problem. First bit I explained. Second bit also, you just prove that they are in the AP and also find out the sum of the 15 terms. So I hope you clearly understood, children. So we'll discuss further problems in the next class. I hope you clearly understood. Thank you, children.